In this video, I'm going to explain you about how to create multiple pivot table in one existing sheet. So already here there is one pivot table is introduced, and then I'm going to create one more pivot table here. So I'm going to select the data, insert pivot table. Instead of new, just click existing and the location, go and select the location. The sheet 2, you can keep it somewhere here and then give OK. In this, you're going to do about the product type and then total sales. So now you have created two table. For this two table, we can create the timeline. So date, once it is created, it will be, for example, it will be changing only one but for that, if you want to change everything, so you can go here and then you can select both the tables and give OK. So whenever you are changing this, you can see the two tables are changing. Similarly, we can do it for the slicer also. So only thing is select the report connection and then you can connect all the tables and then give OK. So automatically it will be reflected for the all the tables. So now you have learned about how to create a pivot table in one existing sheet and then introducing the slicers and timeline. Okay, thank you.